Hello, 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 Facebook Live. Robert Weichelt, EXP, the Weichelt Group, coming to you live from the corporate offices of the San Carlos. So here we are. We're just happy to be here. Looks like, yeah, we're excited. Here we are today with another episode of Off Market Mondays.
Yay!
With Missy B. Talk to me. What's going on?
Nothing much.
Oh my God, the studio audience.
Yes,
Turn that studio audience up. Oh my God.
They're excited.
That's awesome. Hey, anyway, here's Robert Weichelt live. And we're here at the Weichelt Studios with our friend Missy B.
Hello. Hi
How
there.
are you, dear? What's going on?
Nothing much. What is going on with
You know what? We're just having a little bit of White Claw Monday.
I love it.
White Claw
love
Monday.
It,
It's kind of our way to toast in the holiday season we have. So cheers. Nice to see you. Mm-hmm. Oh, that is not good.
Amazing.
Ruby,
amazing champagne.
Garbage.
Amazing
Hate
champagne.
It. But I do know this. It is the holidays.
It is.
It's Thursday. Is this Thanksgiving? And I can't believe I can't believe it's already here.
I know.
What do you got planned for Thanksgiving?
We're gonna just go have a little brunch, family gathering. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy your time with your family and your loved ones, giving thanks on this week every day, but mostly on this day. What about you?
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna be. We'll be right here in the Weichelt Studios. It'll turn into a Weichelt home again, and we'll have Carla's family, my family, and we're all coming here. My 97-year-old grandmother will be here.
Wow.
My mom's mom, Gloria, Gigi. If you're watching, Gigi, I love you.
Hello.
Can't wait to see you. Mom, dad, brothers. Not all the brothers, but just one of the brothers will be here in town.
Good. Family is important.
So yeah, you know what? It's awesome. I love the holidays more than anything. It's just a really nice time. You really hard charge through the year, and then you get a chance to kind of pump the brakes during the holidays and spend time with family.
That is awesome.
And that's what I dig about it.
Yes.
I like watching football.
You do.
I like watching football, so I'll be probably bellied up to one of the TVs.
Can't wait to see that.
Yeah. So that should be fun. What are you just going to go to brunch, huh?
That's it. We're going to go to brunch and maybe bake some cookies.
Bake some cookies.
Yay.
Well, again, we're at another episode of Off Market Mondays, so let's get right into it. We have a couple of listings coming up in Carlsbad.
Oh, wow.
We have 2 condos under 500.
That is amazing.
So if you're looking for a condo in Carlsbad under 500, reach out to us. Our information's in the link. We also have a new listing that we just went live today. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath.
Wow.
4,000 and change square foot.
Wow.
Ocean views
Oh.
from the top floor. Beautiful home's got a pool. It looks like it's never been lived in.
Huh.
So we have that as an auction open house Sunday,
Okay.
December 8th, 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
Then we're going to do the sunset soiree from 5 to 7. Champagne, huh? Ooh.
Champagne. So be there for the soiree. I can't wait to be there.
So that's Sunday, December 8th, 1 to 4. The address is 7030 Haran Circle. We went live today. We won't have the auction open house until Sunday the 8th.
Sunday the 8th.
Sunday
Don't
the 8th.
forget,
So
put
1
it
to
on your
4.
calendar.
1 to 4 is the auction open house, and then we're having a sunset soiree from 5 to 7. We'll have
Can't wait.
beer and wine, and we'll be entertaining the neighbors and the agents. So we encourage you all to come by. We'll make sure a link's in this post as well. We also have, for those looking in Lakeside. Lakeside is a great place. Our daughter lives there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, our daughter lives in Lakeside, and she's there's actually a really nice single-family 3-bedroom, 2-bath, also under 500,000.
Wow.
This is a really nice place. So if you're looking in Lakeside, reach out to me. And last property on our Off-Market Monday update is IB. We've got one in IB. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single-family home under 600, just steps to the beach.
Nice.
So that's a really good deal.
That's really good deal.
I know right now they're going through some sewage thing going
Yes.
on, but IB is really the last affordable ocean area. Oceanfront. It's not really on the ocean, but it's in the walkable.
It's developing. They have great restaurants.
And it's ocean Oceanside and IB are really the most affordable in terms of ocean
definitely.
Property. But we've got one in IB too, so if you want to check that out. So talk to me about you. What's going on? I know you do a lot of stuff in North County.
I do.
What's up? What's going on with you?
Well, my area was Mount Helix. I just moved to North County.
In
It's
San Marcos.
amazing. In San Marcos. So if anybody's interested, they have
the
big
best
lots.
one of the best mayors in town,
Oh,
Rebecca
yeah.
Jones.
There you go.
She's a friend.
There you go.
She's awesome.
She is awesome.
Yeah.
And you know what we do is we make people's dreams come true by selling them homes, looking for homes, etc., etc. We do this in the group here, so you're more than welcome to come and reach out to us,
Yeah.
and we can make your dream home come true.
How do they get a hold of you if they want to reach out to you?
If they want to reach out, call the number here, or you can reach me at 619-761-1523, or Robert. Call Robert.
You
and
can call
he'll-
me too, yeah.
He can
Absolutely.
locate me anywhere. He
We're
has me
everywhere.
on speed dial.
That's right. Speed dial, Missy B.
There
That's
you
cool.
go.
So
Yeah.
how long have you been in the business?
I've been investing for 20 years.
20 years investing.
Yes.
So really, when you're investing, that's not just writing contracts. That's
No.
really understanding
The
the
market.
real estate game.
Yep. That's
you know,
right.
it's not one thing to go out and show properties, but to work with investors.
Exactly.
That's a whole new educational piece.
It is, but we can make it so much easier for you guys. You would just rely on us,
Yeah.
and we can make your dream come true. You don't
Speaking-
have to do anything.
Speaking of investments,
Yes.
we have a beautiful triplex.
Oh, yes.
We have a beautiful triplex. It's basically 3 units.
Exactly.
Upstairs, downstairs. They're all 3-bedroom, 1 bath.
What is the address?
2409 E as in EXP. E Street.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's at 2409 through 15 E Street. It's Golden Hill.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Beautiful
The
place.
downstairs is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath being used as Airbnb.
Yes.
Upstairs is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath being rented currently.
Yes.
Then there's a cottage in the back, also a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, currently under a rental contract.
Perfect.
Each of those units should rent for about $2,800 a month. It does have
Each of them.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
a great
so
deal.
just under $9,000 a month, just on the rental income. Then you have 2 1-car garages in the back. Those rent for $150 each,
Oh,
and
wow.
you could put a full-size car in there plus a bunch of storage, which is great.
Yeah.
It's also at a basement. The basement's
wow.
huge, Chris. And we were there Sunday for the open house, and it was a huge basement. That rents for $600. Probably should get around $900
Yeah,
if you really
I
did it
think
right.
so.
So that's listed right
That's
now,
a
starting
great
on our own
opportunity.
thehome.auction. Its starting price is $1,299. I think we do have a couple of bids right now. The bidding ends this Friday.
Oh, wow,
So go to
hurry.
thehome.auction if you want units. So speaking of investments, we got a good one for you.
That's a good
Yeah.
investment there.
Yeah.
Let's
So
reach out.
really, that's really what I wanted to talk about is off-market Mondays. Again, we've got 2 condos in Carlsbad. Our open house we're doing on December 8th for our new listing,
I'll be there.
auction listing.
Come and
We've-
say hi to Miss B there.
Missy B. Then we've got one in Lakeside and also IB. So what else would you like to say to the fans out there?
Happy Thanksgiving week. Every
Yes.
day is Thanksgiving, but the family gets together that day, so I wish you the best. Enjoy. Wear those loose pants. You're going to need
Loose
it.
pants.
Yes, for all
I'll just
that
throw
turkey.
on some sweats.
Very, yes. There you go.
All right.
Thank you for having me.
Well, you know
Robert.
what?
I
A
love
toast
it.
to everybody.
Yes.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy Thanksgiving. Spend it with family, friends, and God bless everybody out there. Thanks for tuning in.
Cheers.
Oh, that is not good.